Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your carrier plan allows tethering and that you have sufficient data. Make sure your phone is charged or plugged in. Once ready, unlock the phone, open settings, then network and internet. Navigate to hotspot and tethering and toggle the Wi-Fi hotspot on. You do this now so the device begins broadcasting. This first step creates the network interface other devices will see, and it prevents surprises like throttling or unexpected data usage later. Next, configure the hotspot details so it's both usable and secure. First, change the network name to something unique but not personally identifying. This helps you spot it quickly. Then select WPA2 or WPA3 security and enter a strong password of at least 8 characters so strangers can't connect. Also pick the AP band, 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, and set a device limit. These adjustments optimize performance and protect your data while sharing internet. Finally, connect other devices. On the laptop or tablet, pick the SSID and enter the password. Confirm it receives an IP via DHCP and can reach websites. If clients can't get online, first toggle the hotspot off and on and make sure mobile data is enabled on your phone. If problems continue, restart both devices, check you haven't hit a data cap, or switch the AP band. If nothing helps, contact your carrier. Sometimes provisioning or network blocks must be resolved on their side.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.